Hit a like for the algorithm. Stop playing around, man. Hit a like. Yeah, we're looking good, man. Appreciate y'all. Let's go again. Let's roll. $25, $24. I mean, sorry. 50 pushes, 24 pulls. So, really a fib, like I said, is a lie. That you can't be perfect. Yes, you can. God said, be as perfect as your Father in heaven. So, understand that God is on the throne. Commands everything. So if He said it, He the big dog, He the boss. And man, you able to do it. With you knowing that, you're able to relay that confidence, that leadership, that willpower down to your wife and your kids. Come on. And to them friends, your siblings, aunts, uncles, all that. Family. Let's roll again. What was that? 36 pulls, 75 pushes. We're looking good. We got a minute and a half. Minute and a half. Let's go ahead and get it. We rolling. Huh. Huh. Woo, got a minute. We got a minute. Push-ups, got 100. 4 more pulls. We finished faster than the first time. Ah. Four more pulls. Again, 2 to 3 minute rest. We'll roll again. So I'm gonna keep saying this over and over again. Understand that He on the throne. Respect Him. Acknowledge Him, love Him. Because honestly, whether you believe it or not, He the creator. Go. When you have that kind of faith, you can't be scared to say it. Whether it's in front of friends, family, the internet, because once all this is gone, this whole matrix is done, and you in this one thing that you get one chance at called life, all that matters is who you worship, who you have respect for, who you have love for, and who you acknowledge to be the one. God, you know who. We got 3 more, man. We got 1 more set. I'm sorry. We got about 2.5 minutes. We're gonna roll again, last one. Appreciate y'all. Hit a like for the algorithm, man. Hit a comment. Talk about real stuff on this live. You know, people ain't being as real as I am on there. Y'all seen the progression throughout the years with me, the OG subscribers. Hit a like, hit a comment for me. Y'all know the deal. Ain't never scared to be me. End of the day, he don't want to give me the strength to do these workouts. Everybody know they got a message. I know what my message is.